Welcome to the brand strategy workshop section of this course. It is time to start crafting your brand strategy. This is really exciting. Finally, it's not just about me, teaching theories and stuff like that, but now we're actually going to get our hands in the dirt, or not in the dirt, in your awesome brand, and we're going to start, creating your brand. So, over the next modules here, it's going to be like a workshop for each part of the brand strategy, that we just went over, previously, that overview that we looked at with the 8 different sessions or lessons, which will all be like a workshop. So they will not be super long from my side. It will be a bit of recap, going in a little bit deeper on, what we mean with each of those elements, to make sure that you're really clear on, what you're meant to do. And then you will be working on creating your brand strategy. So this is exciting. This is a big deal because the brand strategy is the fundament for a lot of things, not only like communication wise in your business, right? But in your overall operations and also in terms of how you portray your brand. So this is really exciting. And there's the 8 different sections here, and I know this is a lot, right? This is not a basic course. We're going deep. We're going quite advanced when it comes to how to build brands. But there's no other way if we're talking about building a premium brand that is demanding, that it does require a lot from you as well. So we will cover a lot. What I would say is that even if you were just to do kind of the first 3 points of your brand strategy, that will already move you far ahead of a lot of other local businesses in terms of thinking of the brand. If you're really clear on, what is your proposition, what is it that you offer, and who are you actually serving that to, and how are you positioning that offer to that client in your market versus other competitors, already then you've come far. I want to say that because this is a advanced course. This is not an easy course, right? I'm asking a lot from you as well if you're new to branding. But again, in order to build a premium brand, that is not an easy task, right? But with this course, and I hope that, I can guide you along the way and we will get to a very good place. But I just want to kind of like set the tone for that as well, that, we are doing a lot in this course. So, to make this all happen, there's a couple of things that I'm asking from you. So obviously active participation. I cannot create your brand, even if I love doing it. I cannot. It needs to come from you, because only you kind of know your story and, you know what you want to achieve with your brand. So, this part really requires active participation from you. You cannot just kick back and listen to me. So there will require active participation from you. I've created a workbook for you to make that a bit easier. And so if you have access to a printer, I would suggest, printing that off. There's rooms, where you can write and so on in the workbook, just to make it a little bit easier in this process as we go through and, do a bit of brainstorming and working on your brand. You have that workbook available as a tool that really accompanies the presentation that we will be going through. And what I would say is really try to find some time where you can work on this, undisturbed. So, because, you're going to make some big decisions here, and you're really going to think of, big things for your business. So ideally you don't have, if you're working from home, a kid pulling your leg, or if you're in the salon, a client coming in 5 minutes, that you really try to carve out, some space where you can work on this. And I would even suggest, do this over a few days, because this is intense. It's going to require a lot of brain power. So, don't rush it, work through it, let it sink in, come back to it. Because the fact is that it will not be perfect the first time. And also, as you could see in this long list of all the things that goes in, or long list, the 8 points, there is overlap between those. So for sure, when you start working on your positioning, for example, you might want to go back and think about your proposition. Or if you work on your purpose, there might, they all hang together, right? and this might get clearer as you kind of work through the different parts of your brand. So it will for sure not be perfect the first time, and you might want to go back and redo something when you later on thought about something else and so on. So that's okay. So yeah, that's it. I'm really excited to get started on this part with you. This was just a short intro to kind of kick this off. And yeah, so that's it, and I will see you in the next video.